like a little 3 Series. It's carbon fiber. Oh my god, bro. We have to help him with everything. Can't do anything by himself. I'm gonna throw his blade at you, can't move. You're gonna use the part to save you? That's something. Oh.
I did it, come on!
This is a full carbon fiber hood for that Urus we're doing right now. Wide body, just like my car. This is actually the same hood that's on my car, but mine was forged carbon. This is carbon fiber fully, but we're gonna wrap it the same way as mine. Since we're wrapping the car that sand color, I think it would look dope exposed. The cleaner approach would be to wrap some of it. So we're gonna wrap a portion of it and leave a portion of it visible and see how it goes. But yeah, we're fully underway with the 1016 Industries wide body Urus, another one in the books. There's a black one here actually for the same wide body kit. So 2 of them we're gonna be doing in the next couple episodes. The sand one, that color I was actually going to use on my car before. So now I get to see it on another Urus.
See, right now we're gonna change the hood. We removed that one with my helper right here. See my helper? So we're gonna change, now we're gonna put this one back over there, and they're gonna wrap and they're gonna do some designs on this one. Okay, so you'll see you later.
New S63 coupe. This thing is a beast. This is a factory matte black color, of course. It had a little bit of damage on the bumper, so we went ahead and fixed that. We also did a little blackout to it. Nothing too fancy. The emblems are still chrome. The front star's still chrome, all that stuff. We blacked out all the trims on the bumper, the window, and the wheels are completely blacked out as well. So literally that's all this car has is a slight blackout, and the rest of it is stock. Looks gorgeous. It's 4-wheel drive. It's AMG. It's way better than a Sarkis car.
What's up, man? California love like a living rock. Did that spook by the door because we're talking about. As I'm listening,
what are you guys doing?
In the black box.
Nice.
They hear me. I might be the next up. Remember, nigga, spinning in that Harley truck. In the 17, Dooley brought the choppers out. I'm talking about. Then we can walk it out.
Huh?
you open this thing? Okay, don't show the opening part. It's embarrassing. No, laugh at us. We have a beautiful Camaro. This is a really nice car. Look at the engine setup on this thing. This thing is crazy. A lot of power on this car. Problem is, I don't know, I think he just blew the clutch. Tomorrow we're gonna try to put this thing up and start to work on it. Let's see what's happening. He might need a new clutch. At RDB, that's not a problem. We do everything here, so stay tuned for this one.
Alright guys, the Urus behind me right here, special build, super excited for it. We're almost done with it, a few little tidbits, we're waiting also for the wheels. Stock wheels are still there for now. So next episode you guys are going to see this thing complete. This is that sand color that I actually chose for my car a long time ago, but I did not use it. This is not my car obviously. 1016 Industries full carbon fiber wide body kit. Hood is on there as you can see. We didn't leave the whole hood exposed, we did it like my car where the top sections are exposed. These are full carbon fiber, but we only exposed the edge of it as the roof rack, which sometimes I regret not having and sometimes I like the cleaner look. But this has it, so you can throw anything you want on there. We'll see what we're gonna do. It's gonna get RDB wheels, wide body 24-inch wheels. First ever to do it on this car. Stay tuned. This Urus is gonna shock everybody.
It doesn't even go on you. It's hot, but it's not on you. I can see it.
It's pretty bad. What do you mean?
No! It's near you. It's not on you. That's it. That was bad. That's it. See you guys later.
It's like kindergarten over here.